Hello traders, welcome again to the weekly Forex Forecast. My name is Gabriel Ujimadu and this is Trade Forex with Gabe. I'll be walking you through August 19th through to August 23rd, but I want to believe you all had a good time, trading time, and you banked those pips from last week. It was a very patient week, I must say, and all the analysis we did, we got good consolidation into the levels we targeted, and we began to see price drop from those levels. So this week is almost similar. Some of the pairs from last week are also showing up as the best pairs to trade for this week. So my job is simple, to walk you through how to make money this week. All right, so let's see, starting off as always from the economic calendar, the global economic calendar, and we see from Monday we won't have any high impact news. And on Tuesday, we see CPI data coming out for the Canadian dollar. So anyone trading Canadian dollar good enough is going to be one of the pairs we'll be looking to trade into this week. So watch out for CPI data on Tuesday. And on Wednesday, we see FOMC minutes coming out. And on Thursday, the PMI data we see across Euro and the US. On Friday, we see Canadian dollar core retail sales and retail sales month in month, and Fed Chair Powell speaks. So nothing so much out of order here, just to expect this news. And I believe market will respect what the price structure is already telling us, that is the price action from these pairs are saying. But let's see what the currency strength meter is saying. From last week, we have the data mapped out, and from this week on a forward-looking basis, we see that Euro is coming out to be one of the strongest from being the least strongest from last week. So it's going to be one of the top pairs I'm looking to trade, and including Great Britain pound. Now, I didn't include Swiss franc, okay, because we still see a lot of loss in strength in that order. So I don't want to be in the mix where we're seeing further losing of strength. Whereas Japanese yen, the structure still supports it, and that's why you see Japanese yen is still coming out as one of the pairs I'll be looking to go long on based on certain criteria. So we will wait to see that the chart I have, and then you can take a decision based on that. Now, looking at the weakest pairs into trade into the week, we see how Canadian dollar lost strength to minus 1.3, and NZD also coming out as one of the pairs to look to short, and also the dollar. So these are the three pairs I'm looking to sell. Best of them, matching them up with the euro and the Great Britain pound. So my best pairs to trade into this week, where I'll be looking for those opportunities, are on Japanese yen, euro, and Great Britain pound. So CAD JPY, I'm looking to go short on it. Don't forget, CPI data will be coming out on Canadian dollar. We have NZD JPY, and we have USD JPY. So we're selling based on Japanese yen being having the potential to be strong. So we sell to buy Japanese yen, okay? Because it's not as the base currency. I hope you already know that. That's elementary Forex trading. So next is euro. So I'm looking to go long on euro card, long on euro NZD, and long on euro USD. Same with Great Britain pound. So you have to watch correlation, okay? Currency pair correlation. So you're not caught up trading two pairs on the same direction. So it's best to choose one that you feel most comfortable with and trade in that direction, okay? This is my take on this. So from last week, let's just take one slide down. You will find out we had very fantastic trading in gold, fantastic trading on Euro GBP, Euro AUD, and all the pairs, Swiss franc, Japanese yen. You could see if you join the training, the analysis from last week, you will find it was a patient trade. Price needed to retrace all the way, and as soon as it got to the points we marked out, it started dropping. So I wouldn't take time to go through it all, because I like to keep these videos short and straight to the point. So for this week, these are the pairs I'm looking to trade. Now let's jump into the chart and see exactly how these are looking. Starting off as always with the dollar index, you could see the massive sell-off we had there, more like an engulfing from the previous day. So dollar still having a lot of weakness on it. We still have, I think, the unwinding of the carry trade is beginning to it's resuming again. So you see that massive sell-off again from the previous week. So on H4, you could see we had a sell-off, we had some form of retracement, but then unable to create a new high and then started selling off again. So this is why for me, dollar into this week is one of the top pairs I'm looking to short. The first pair on Japanese yen is CAD JPY. So now, this is one of the pairs we traded from last week, and it's still coming out to be one of the pairs into the week. So price got into our key level, which was 108.80, and from there I started scalping downwards. Okay, if you check, I started scalping downwards using my automated system. So once I get those levels, from that level, I start selling off using my systems. So this is sometimes how I trade. So Canadian dollar already in the play. If I'm able, if the system closed, I will wait to see a break from this channel. And once I get that break, and it gives me more confidence to sell into the 104.81. But primarily, I just target the profit target for breaking structure of a channel. So this is my take on that. Next is NZD Japanese yen. Let's find it here. NZD JPY. Just a moment. There you are. All right. So on NZD JPY, basically I'm going to be patient enough to wait for the break of this structure, that is the channel structure. If we get any rally into the upper boundary, now this presents a good opportunity to also look for short position down to the lower boundary. Okay, whereas the best would be to find a break, but this is on H4, so you see about 79 pips. If it's going to break this could get down to the mid of the week. Okay, so any rally to the upper boundary will present us a good place to look for that sell trade down to the lower boundary of this channel. So NZD JPY, NZD weak, Japanese yen strong. So we're looking to go short on it. Next on the line is USD JPY. And on USD JPY, guys, you recall from last week's video also, we were looking for price to make it into the 38 to 50 Fibonacci levels. Those were the best levels I said I'll be looking to go short on. And you can see exactly at that same level. You see, as soon as price touched that level, we began to see the sell-off. So let me take this out. We've already gotten what we wanted from this. So I think also to take out the Fib levels, so it could be more clearer for us. So this is it. I'm looking to continue to go short on this. So if you are one of those looking for a good point to go in on shorts, so you could also find that we have a channel pattern formed here. So this is it. Most times I like using the line charts. So this gives me a better perspective. So confidently, if we get to see a break from this channel, then this presents us a fantastic trading opportunity. You already know how to calculate the profit. Now, optimally, price should drop to the last low here, which is 142.47. If you could see here on daily time frame, you will see that what we have here is a break away from channel. And now we have the retest of that channel, the breakout point, more of a pullback. And now we should see price sell off to the last low and continue in that trajectory. Okay, and that's it for Japanese yen. Now let's move on to Euro pairs, and we're starting with Euro card. Euro card, just a moment. Eurocard, Eurocard, Eurocard. Okay, there you are. So on Eurocard, let's look at it on a bigger time frame. So this is on a daily time frame. You will notice we have a breakout from this channel, and then what we see now is more of a consolidation. I believe price has already gotten to the profit target for these breakouts. Okay, we already have that, but there's potential for more push to the upside. Okay. There's potential for more rally to the upside, and we can see that this consolidation is forming now a symmetrical triangle, or you could call it a pennant, or whichever. So, but right now, all I'm waiting, whichever name you give it, all I'm waiting to see is to see price break away from this triangle, and my initial profit target is the 1.5180 level, and if we see that breakout, then it means that our stop loss should be at the last low, somewhere around here. Let me give you the level. So you have to wait. So I either buy or do nothing on this pair. No chance to look for sell opportunity here. I'm only looking for buy opportunity, which is a breakout from this symmetrical triangle. Next on the list is Euro NZD. Euro NZD, and I think this is it. Yes. So on Euro NZD, again, look at it from the bigger time frame. You will see we had a fantastic break from this channel, and look at that, got exactly to the take profits target for the breakout. Now, again, we see a potential for more rally to the upside. So look at this, we have an uptrend, and now we see a descending triangle. So you see the descending triangle, descending. So if we get a bounce from here, I believe somewhere around this zone, which also marks the 75% region within this triangle, this could be the place we will be looking for the breakout, somewhere around here, around Tuesday or so. So this somewhere around here will be around Tuesday. So this could be the place we will begin to see a break. So once you get the break, you already know your stop loss should be at the last low, and the target is around the 1.8642 level. Next on the list, on our list, is Euro USD. Where are you? Euro USD. Now, this is a fantastic setup. We have been tracking this for a while. We had the breakout. Now we also see, now focus on this channel, this one. So you will see that right now we had the breakout from the blue channel, and after the breakout, we see that we have that nice retest, okay? And again, we see a formation of another channel, and again, we're seeing the break above that channel. So right now, my first initial target is to target the last high somewhere here. So which gives us 1.1102 level, and the full target is at the 1.11863 level. So Euro USD, I'm looking to go long on this, and the price structure, price action on this pair is fully aligning with what we see on the currency strength meter. And next on the line is the Great Britain pounds, and we're looking again GBP card and NZD and then USD. So let's start with GBP card. GBP card, there you are. So on GBP card, we have also again a breakout. So you can see the correlation. This is why correlation analysis is key, so you don't get caught up trading two pairs that are moving in tandem. So here we are, see that we have the breakout, price is making a retest, and to make it push into the final profit target for this breakout, this channel breakout, and that target is around the 1.7876 level. Let's see how that plays out. Okay, and next is GBP NZD, guys. So in case you're looking for an entry, you see the entry here is not so wonderful, because we have an extension. So if you're looking to go in on this, let's use the Fibonacci expansion tool. Okay, so if we get a break above this, all right, if we get a break above this, this could give you a nice entry. Then you set your stop loss at the last pullback, all right, at the last pullback into this level, which is 1.7828 and ultimately 1.7876 level, all right? Okay, so let's move to GBP NZD. GBP NZD. Oh, yeah. So this pair, for those who have been following my analysis, you'll recall that this is one pair we've been tracking for so long. You get so the price action on this pair has just been phenomenal. We've been getting the breakout within this same pair. We saw the channel breakout, and later on we saw the falling wedge, and you can see the triangle here. You see the wedge pattern, and after the breakout, it now formed us the channel again and the breakout from this channel, giving us the final target for this channel. But ultimately, the target for this channel was also fulfilled here. That's the 2.18999. But then coming back to our level, we still have potential for an up for more rallies based on you know, the strength meter we see. So, sorry, I deleted the Fibonacci level. So after this massive rally, you could see that around the retracement was, best retracement is somewhere around 50 and 61, and it fell within that level. So this would be a good place to look for, to go long on this, and the target is the last high, which is 2.18999. So stop loss should be around that zone. Okay, if you're going in on this trade. So that is it. So guys, last is GBP USD, and that will be the last for this on my bucket list. Yes. And again, here we don't have any perfect entry because price is already almost at the key targets. Okay, we see that we still have a formation. Price is riding, trading within the channel up pattern. So first target 1.30067, but mind you, this is not giving us a good entry. So if we must find, let's try to use the Fib expansion tool also. And there you go. So we already have a breakout from here. So the risk to reward ratio is not so fantastic here. So, but then you can do what you wish, find a good entry, but I don't have a good entry here because price is already overextended above. If we're to go in on this here, set our stop loss here, 156 pips, it means we need to be targeting the final target here at 1.3122, which gives us 178 pips. Okay, so traders, this is where I'll draw the curtain for the week. I trust this will give you a bit of an direction into your trades for you to also plan your trades. So this is what I do every week. So I want to believe with this, you should bank in some pips to your account for the week ahead. And don't forget, if these videos are helping you become good and better trader, why not recommend it to a friend? And also don't miss the videos every weekend by hitting the notification button. So this is where I'll sign off for tonight. Have a great week ahead. Thank you and bye-bye.